Hey, it's Troy from Resonate Recordings with another product release. Today we're going to be talking about how to set up your Podbean hosting account inside the Resonate app. So let's get started. The first step is to log into your Podbean account. If you don't have a Podbean account, it's free to sign up. You can sign up right here on podbean.com. I already have an account set up with Podbean, so I'm just going to log in here. After I've logged into my Podbean account, I can return to the Resonate Recordings app. And this is an episode that is complete. There's a master file attached, and I'm ready to post this to Podbean. So you'll see a prompt here asking you to connect your Podbean account to your show. Just tap Show Settings. From here, there's a button that says Connect Podbean. Just tap that, and it will redirect you to your Podbean account. We need you to authorize Resonate to post on your behalf. So tap the button that says Authorize Now. This should redirect you to the settings page for your show inside the Resonate app. And at this point, you'll need to return to the episode that you're ready to post. So tap the Episodes tab at the top in the navigation bar, and tap the episode that's ready to post. Now you'll see a button that says Post to Podbean. Behind the scenes, Resonate will post your master episode file to Podbean, and when you tap on episodes inside of Podbean, you'll see the new episode that we posted for you here. When you return to the episode in the Resonate app, you'll see a link that says Open in Podbean, and that will take you directly to the episode in the Podbean app. And that's how you post an episode to Podbean with one click.